How to become an OfferLab affiliate. If you've been wondering that question, you're in the right place. If you just heard about OfferLab, it's one of the coolest things ever. I'm so excited for this launch. Down just below this video, you're going to see a link that's going to take you to this page. It is the JV page for the launch. I'm going to go over a few of the basics, and then obviously you can hop in here and let Russell explain it himself. Here's the back end where you can see all products being added, all that stuff. But the JV page is what you really care about. So the pre-launch is going to start on August 26th. The main launch is going to be there on September 3rd. And then there's an event in Boise on the 4th, 5th, and 6th, which you can sign up for and potentially go and potentially teach if you want. This link is down below. During the promotion, you get 100% commissions on the one $500 upsell, which is really cool. But the really crazy part is you can actually get a piece of the processing volume for life. So picture this: you sign up someone, either an affiliate or a creator, who processes 100,000, let's say an e-com product, $100,000 of product a month. You can get the percentages do vary, so make sure you go watch this video. He explains it, but you can get 2, 3, 4% of that forever. Like, you can go do the math, go pull out your calculator, how much that could be for the next year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and so on. This is an incredible opportunity because once they sign up under you, they are under you and cookie to you for life. So go down below this video, sign up, and you are going to be really, really glad that you promoted this.